Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are visiting the Butterfly Valley. Butterfly Valley is a nature reserve, a dream of a nature lover. The Butterfly Valley is presumably the most gorgeous spot I visited in Turkey. The possibility of being at confined sand ocean side while being encircled by the crystal clear blue waters of the Mediterranean Sea and the wonderful rough mountain actually sends you into another world. The valley is situated at the foothill of Mount Babadağ. This valley has been nominated as World Heritage Site. A sand beach at a bay on the Turkish Riviera makes the perfect face for the valley. A trail in the valley leads to two small waterfalls dropping from 200 feet all the year round, and which we will be covering in this video. In the middle of the valley, a creek runs carrying water from a spring nearby Faralya village to the sea. A road from Oludeniz to Uzunyurt, which is a part of the Lycian Way Ultramarathon route, runs on the top of the rocks around the valley. The valley, rich in flora and fauna, takes its name from the large number of butterfly species found here. Scientists record some 147 flora species belonging to 54 families and 105 butterfly species from 15 families native to the valley. The butterflies of many varieties in a wide range of colors can be observed in the valley between June and September. Due to its natural beauty, Butterfly Valley is an important ecotourism attraction in Turkey. It is accessible by shuttle boat service from the Oludeniz beach, which is 5 to 7 kilometers and roughly operating around hourly at daytime. But it's recommended that you confirm with operators in Oludeniz beach before coming to the valley. In the valley, various outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, canoeing, and scuba diving can be performed. The valley is open to public entire year. During July and August, around 200 visitors camp daily in the valley. As a designated nature reserve, the site is protected as any type of construction in Butterfly Valley is strictly prohibited by law. Therefore, only temporary structures are allowed here, and on an area of 10,000 square meters, up to 250 people can be accommodated in tents, in addition to a few simple wooden bungalows. Sanitary facilities are for shared use. Electricity is supplied by a generator. A small country restaurant and a bar provide food and beverages in summertime. The Butterfly Valley got named from the immense populace of butterflies used to reside in the valley. However, since the spot was found by travelers, butterflies were seen less and less. As seen in the video I recorded, there are only few instances where we can see butterflies flying around. The spot is as yet quite possibly of the prettiest spot in Turkey. This valley is a perfect place to enjoy into the natural dwellings. Simply a place to get away from TV, mobile, and all other devices. You get a chance to forget the hectic life and enjoy what nature has to offer. I would recommend that if you like to get away from the comfort of the hotels and like to camp, this place is perfect for your short nature excursion. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, like the video if you like it, and also comment down below. Let me know about your experience of the valley. So let's continue with our tour of the valley. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like and comment down below as I will be uploading the Oludeniz beach 12 island tour trip next, so stay connected.